Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard light turning off automatically on Mac. So if your keyboard backlight keeps switching off even though you'd like to stays on, the inactivity timeout setting is usually the reason. Maybe you have accidentally set it to minimum time, that's why it's automatically turning off. So to check the setting or fix the issue, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Keyboard. And here, as you can see, turning keyboard backlight off after inactivity, timing to after 5 seconds. That's why it's keep automatically turning off after 5 seconds. So to change the settings, click on this drop down menu, and here you will be prompted by different options from 5 seconds to all the way to 5 minutes, or you even can choose never, so that the keyboard backlight will never turn off automatically. So choose any option you prefer. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.